The Whirlpool Dishwasher error code 4-3 indicates a breakdown in communication between the wash pump motor and the electric control board. This error code can be caused by a faulty wash pump motor or a faulty control board. To fix the error, it is necessary to check the wash pump motor, as a faulty motor can cause the machine to make a loud noise when a wash cycle is initiated. To do this, the appliance should be switched off, and the two lead wires that go into the motor should be disconnected. A multimeter set to the RX1 setting can then be used to check the motor's terminals, which should show a reading of 0 or near 0 resistance. If the reading is above 0, the motor may need to be replaced. Additionally, the control board should be checked, as a problem with the board or the circuit board connected to it can also cause the error. Restarting the dishwasher may clear the error, but if it persists, it may be necessary to replace the entire board.